Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Telegram Desktop for beginners. If you're new to Telegram on PC, this guide will help you understand the basic features and how to use them. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. On the left side, you'll see your chat list. Click on any chat to open the conversation. At the bottom, use the message box to type a message. Press enter to send it instantly. Next, click the emoji icon to open the emoji panel. You can choose any emoji and send it in the chat. To send a photo, video, or document, click the paperclip icon next to the message box. Select a file from your computer and send it. At the top of the chat window, click the search icon to search for messages inside that conversation. You'll also see the phone icon, which can be used to start a voice call with the contact. Now click the three-line menu in the top left corner. From here, you can access contacts, saved messages, and settings. The settings section allows you to manage notifications, privacy, themes, downloads, and other Telegram options. That's the basic way to use Telegram Desktop on your PC. Once you learn these features, you can easily chat, send files, make calls, and manage your Telegram account from your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram Desktop tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.